Okay, part B kule topic esikhuluma ngayo National Christian March for the 8th of October 2025. Izinto angithi mama ukhuluma uvela ukhohle nezinto ezi-key that you want to say. Anginama scripting engikhuluma lapha as well. I'm just speaking as it comes. So kulento kulento le esiyimashelayo correctly stipulated there, it is stop state control of the church. Exactly. Stop. We must stop the state control of the church. The state is the HC and the DA. So their policies have always been wanting to control us and to actually subjugate us to New World Order interests. Because in South Africa, it has been made the laboratory test of New World Order ideas. So thina siyi-test piece. Asiba abantu si-test piece sikuvula amabhoda ethu sifuqwa nga-20 million illegal immigrants. It is just a test ukuthi siyalamba njani, it matters not, as long as tabelungu be-New World Order betesta izinto zabo kule laboratory abasibona siyiyo. Okay, besebenzisa abana babo i-ANC. So this is the painful thing, because asikaze sibe abantu thina eSouth Africa esayabelwa uNkulunkulu, sibukeka nje njengezinto ama-test piece yabo elaboratory yabelungu be-New World Order. So we must stop state control of the church. Yes, we must stop this totalitarian agenda by the New World Order against nations and our interests, where they are trying to force us to be controlled by that entity elapha phezulu towards the Antichrist. So angisho ezinye izinto abazenzayo athi ama-Somaliland bawalethele the same thing, because yabona bafaka upoison ey'nganeni and then ukuze bajustify ukuthi ba-control the informal sector. You see, nalento lezo kufakwa kwamaSomaliyeni nanani bathi besithathela iy'phaza zethu bese-ke kufakwa into eziwopoison kufa iy'ngane kungathi akufanga abantu. Bese uRamaphosa athi makurejistwe iphaza. That was the agenda from the beginning. That is why they were brought here, exactly to actually justify the control of the informal sector by the government, because the New World Order wants to control everything. You understand? They want to control agriculture. They tell us ukuthi if asebenzise mapha ama-seed, replacing seeds that are natural, bafuna ukufuqa lawa wabo akhandwe ema-laboratory abo ase-West. So many things which are happening, you understand, so that we depend on obab government. Angithi that's why bebenza ney'ngane zidelela asakwazi ukucontrola, or rather ukulawula ukumanage amakhaya ethu, because control ubab government kuye umnikazi wezindlu zethu, kuye decide masithi sixosha ingane esingasayijabuleli emizini yethu. Government uney'nkantolo zokuprotect ingane ukuthi ihlale emakwethu ngenkani. So akusho ukuthi we're no longer owning houses already, because they are owned by the government, because the government decides. The government is the decider of wills. Uma umntwana ezaliwe nje kuleyo ndlu ukuthi uzalwe ngayiphi indlela, ukuthi amadodana akulelo khaya obani, means nothing. Uzaliwe, so uya-inherita, kusho ugovernment. So kukwa-government emzini yethu. Oh, so nje na kahle hle yini kanti lesayi-owna-ke kuyimanje, understand? So bese-ke kuba yilezi zinto ezenzekwa kuma-farm and everything. Uma ubheka noma bethi bayalwela umhlaba, abalwela umhlaba la they've got umhlaba, impi efuze ngambeliwa amakhosi awezizwe zethu, you understand? Hhayi abo-EFF baseMalawi nabo-ANC bama-foreigner bangenaphi kumhlaba waseSouth Africa, bayolwela iMalawi yabo neZimbabwe yabo, thina silwela iSouth Africa yethu, kanjalo kanjalo, you understand? Umuntu nomuntu alwele ikwakhe noma ikubo, you understand? So bafuna ukuzidivert, abelungu colonialists. Who said blacks are not colonialists? if you are a foreign black coming to my country and oppress me and rule me, you are colonizing me in your blackness. So we're being colonized, and as in our country by blacks. Fanele leyo ke siyiphaphathela izandla zithi siyabonga ukuthi sicolonizwe abantu abamnyama. It's called African unity, my armpit. There is no requirement in God's Bible for Africa to be united as one entity. God is against every system of Babel. Ubu Babylon lobu or be United Nations, African Union, European Union, yonke lowo doti. It's got nothing to do with God. Those are antichrist systems of world government that we are not supposed to be associating with actually. So all these controls, so bakhande crime ibe yiningi ecountryn ngamabomu khona bezosifakela la amakhamera awe-surveillance. Sesihlala ejele ke njengasechina bathi banamakhamera nanana, so awuna privacy nanani. That's world government control. Uyamonithwa ngamakhamera, so usejele wena emhlabeni, sena freedom kahle gone just like that. Uyajabula, yeah, amakhamera azosiza ukulwa necrime isibone, yeah, mara kahle icrime bingeke izifike kule level okuba igovernment was not sponsoring crime, like ngama-drugs lawo bawafaka ngamabomu ama-drugs. Uyakwazi nawe lokho, kanti faka kushiwo njani? Angithi kuyaziwa ukuthi Frelimo drugs from China via the ANC, and now uyazibonela elokishini lakho ukuthi they don't catch drug distributors, they work together with the police. Angithi angibona lokho on a daily basis. So as long as sinamaphoyisa phakathi politicians of the ANC, protected ama-illegals by the DA and their Helen Suzman's foundations and them. That's the New World Order. We are being destroyed. Our nations are being obliterated in the fake unity. Khona unity whose purpose is to emaciate, ukuthi niphelelwe ubuzweni benu, therefore namandla enu, nilahlekelwe na uNkulunkulu esizweni senu. Where's the unity? It's called Babel. That's what we tried to do after Noah, and that's what God is against. Makithi ama-Israel angahlangani nama-Mowabi, and then bahlangana bona nama-Mowabi babhubha. So there are people or systems you are not supposed to agree to, which speak of an ungodly type of unity. Nations were created by God. You cannot stand on the path which says let's destroy nations and create a Babel. Mina ngumZulu. My nation is not South Africa, it is Zulus, as created by God. So le system yoku qeda izizwe zethu has got, it's antichrist. It comes from the devil. It's got nothing to do with God. So these are systems that are happening we country yethu kuyimanje towards the Antichrist. Yebo, Antichrist conquers the whole world, but the reason we are fighting for South Africa is because of Daniel chapter 7 verse 12, because South Africa, via the identity which is carried by the Zulu nation, is the leopard kingdom. So the Zulu nation wears the leopard a lot, and you can see those Daniel 7 kingdoms are end times kingdoms, which are about now. So now we are being used as South Africa by white liberals of Europe to deceive the world towards the Antichrist, and this is called unity, fake unity basically, and the miraculous formation of South Africa, Mandela, wow, all the lies. There's no unity in South Africa. We don't love each other. We are starving, you know. Abelungu, white people are the rich ones because it's their system. It was created to serve them. Tina, we are poor. White people are sitting at 4% poverty. We are sitting at 64% poverty. Zulus are sitting at 70% poverty. See? So where is that successful project called South Africa? Where is it? You see? So now all I'm saying is stop the NW agenda. Let it not capture all of South Africa. It will capture South Africa, but it doesn't have to capture the whole of South Africa, because there's grace that God has given us, as can be seen in Daniel chapter 7 verse 12. Thank you.